Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and we are still doing Halloween stuff for the last 2 days. Maybe a little bit beyond it because I want to do some Day of the Dead stuff too. So, but yeah, let's get going. We're going to be drawing a spider. Very cute spider. I'm not sure if I have one on this site already, but here's another one. A different type. So we're just going to follow along. Start with the circle, and that's going to be the head of the spider. Fill that in. Then kind of the body here, a little circle. Think of it kind of as like maybe like a snowman. And then one more. This one you can draw bigger if you want, or about the same or smaller. Usually it's supposed to be bigger, but I'm gonna make it roughly the same size. Fill that in. Make sure this stuff's wet when you fill it in. Right now, I want to make a quick announcement. If you guys are not on my Patreon, you should get on my Patreon. It is going to be my main hub. If for $2, you get a free sticker, you get a free shout out on my Instagram story, and I get like a few thousand people that look at that. And you also get, the ability to look at all the hidden posts on there. I have a ton of artwork on there that I don't put anywhere. And lastly, you get a free ebook, and that's gonna, change. It's gonna be right now. It's how to draw a skull, step by step. And it's this ebook I put a lot of work into, and I try to make it entertaining. And I think it's really high quality. And you get those 4 things for $2. But check that out when you can. I am gonna start kind of hanging out on that area a lot more, and giving a lot of tips on that channel, more so than in general. But that's it. That's our little word from the sponsor. We did it in the middle of this thing, so sorry. Now we're gonna pull out right here one leg. There's a line. Another one, kind of duplicate that on the other side. Especially just kind of an L shape. Same, kind of a little bit outer spread. Another one down here, another one down here, or down here. And what you could do is, what I want to do is throw a thread up there like it's coming down. Although it comes out of its butt, right? But anyways, throw a thread. But yeah, that's a really simplistic Halloween style spider. So, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, click that like button, and also share the video for Halloween. But see you later, guys, and I will talk to you next time.